here we have a necklace that says I love you in multiple language. And it comes in this beautiful box. It came with a bag that you can put it inside. So in the bag, it comes with a little card that you can even give to someone. It just says a little saying of each flower and gift tells a story to the one I love. And inside the bag, it comes in this beautiful box with a little rose on it, and it's so amazing. The rose is basically fake, so it would never deteriorate, and it's so pretty. You just have to twist this open to show the necklace on the side. And on the necklace it says love. The very first thing you see is love. It's very pretty, and to open it, it's just you take off the glass top on it. It's plastic. It looks like glass, so you can see through it. And very simple to take out the necklace. All you have to do is pull on this little tab, and it basically takes out the necklace itself. So in this necklace, it's very easy to see all the sayings. You can look it through your eye, or you can use your iPhone phone light to project it on the walls, ceilings, or anything. It's really pretty. It is perfect for people who love jewelry. And personally myself, I actually love little things that have hidden pictures inside. If you could see inside the picture itself, it shows I love you in so many languages. It is so pretty and so unique, and it's just simply an amazing gift to give. So it's perfect for a gift, or you just want to give your spouse a little bit something special, or even to someone special you love. And this is just a perfect gift. You have little hearts on the side, which is amazing, and then you can see all the sayings in different languages.